Hello traders, what's going on? In the previous lecture, I have completed the formation and basic characteristics of the descending channel pattern on a price action chart. From this lecture on, we will learn another channel pattern, that is sideways channel. So in this lecture today, I will be talking to you about the formation and basic characteristics of sideways channel on a price action chart. So let's start. A ranging channel, also known as a sideways or horizontal channel. Trading range which has no difference in the angle between the nearest peak and thought. Basically, the price is ranging within a horizontal support and resistance zone. Horizontal channel pattern has two parallel trend lines that are sloping sideways. As you know that lower line act as the support level and upper line act as resistance. This channel also known as the horizontal trend channel. Horizontal channels are formed by drawing trend lines for both high and low price on a chart. When the price is between the support level and resistance level without being particularly near either of them, it does not signal anything about the future price. If the price is falling towards support, it indicates that it will reverse and rise again. If the price is rising toward resistance, it indicates that it will reverse and fall back again. As you can see the real chart example, this is USD JPY 4-hour chart. You will notice that price is falling towards support. It indicates that it will reverse and rise again. But as you can see the chart, price break the upper trend line, that means resistance level, then buy signal is generated. In this moment, you can trigger a buy trade entry and set the stop loss at least 3 pips below the higher low of a higher high level, and then set the profit target at least 2 times the size of stop loss. On the other hand, when the price is rising toward resistance, it indicates that it will reverse and fall back again. But if the price breaks the support level, then sell signal is generated. At this moment, you can trigger a sell trade setup which set the stop loss at least 3 pips above the higher high level and set the profit target at least 2 times the size of a stop loss. So not more today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.